Hi guys, welcome to class. I'm Favor Daniela of Arela Signature. So this video is the continuation of the tape measuring tape reading class that we did last. The video is on our YouTube channel. Please, if you know that you haven't seen the video, please go and watch it. I believe that when you watch it, you'll be able to understand your tape measure very well. As a fashion designer, this should be the primary thing you get to understand before any other thing. You should understand your tape reading, your measuring tape very well. You should be able to read it very well, so as to understand everything, every measurement you'll be taking, so on the body of your client or yourself. So the last one the last class we had was on this particular tape measure, and I made it clear that this is the 1/8 tape measure. So why is it called the 1/8? Is because the lines here in these gaps, they're just 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is why it's called the 1/8 tape measure. So I also let you guys know that tape measure comes in fraction, but for easy understanding, we are to generate the value to decimal. So if you really want to know about this, please just go to the channel and watch the video. It's very easy to understand. So I also made a promise that on our next class, I'm going to be taking us on this, the 1/16. This is 1/16. So what makes it 1/16 is still the same lines, these lines in the gap. So if you count it, is 1 to 16. So I won't be taking out this part like I did in the other video. So let's start from here. Assuming this is from number 1, let's count it this way. So see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this is the 1/16 tape rule, why this one is 1/8. So we'll be taking the 1/16 now. In here on this drawing, will I say drawing or sketch or whatever? Okay, so from this point to this point is our 1 inch this 1 inch measuring tape. From this, the beginning of this line to this point is our 1 inch tape rule. So these are the lines, the black lines in between our tape rule, the lines we just finished counting on our tape rule. This is 1, this is 1. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So we have it there up to 16. So we are going to be generating it into decimal to get the right answer. Sure, you understand. So like I said, our measuring tape is in fraction form. To generate the value in decimal, we are simply saying 1 divided by, you understand, 1 divided by. In our previous class, because the tape measure was 1/8, so we did 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 4 divided by 8, 5 divided by 8, 6 divided by 8, 7 divided by 8, till we got to 8 divided by 8, which we got 1 inch. So if you can, look at it very well, you see that there are, after this marks, these lines in between our tape measure, we have more space. It means that in this empty space there are supposed to be more lines. So that brings us to this particular one here. Look at it. You see that this one is really filled up. This one is filled up. Why this one is not filled up? So this is 1/8. These lines are just 1 to 8. This is 1/16. These lines, they are 1 to 16. Very much more than this. So we'll be reading the 1/16 tape measure. So to generate this one in decimal, into decimal form, sure you understand, we'll be doing 1 divided by 16. We are not dividing this one by 8. We are dividing it by 16. So assuming this is the beginning of the tape measure, because I won't be taking out this part. So for us to see clearly, let's start from this one. Assuming this is the beginning of the tape measure, you understand? 1. Okay, let's start from this part to 2. So here, in this place, you get the value of this place, you do 1 divided by 16. So 1 divided by 16, that is 1/16. 1/16 simply means 1 divided by 16. 1/16 simply means 1 divided by 16. I made a mistake here. Let me correct it. It's not 1/6. It's 1/16. You understand? 1/16, not 1/6. 1/16. So we are simply saying 1 divided by 16. In fraction form is 1/16. So you are to generate it to decimal. Generate the value to decimal. So we'll be having 1 divided by 16. So if you come in with your calculator, here we need a calculator for your better understanding. I suggest you, I recommend you make use of your calculator here for better understanding. So we'll do 1 here divided by 16 is equal to 0. Look at it. 1 divided by 16 is equal to 0.0625. 0.0625. So that 0.0625 happens to be the first line. The first line on the 1/16 tape measure, this place, the first line, it happens to be this first line on the 1/6 tape measure. So after that, you do the second line should be the second line should be 2 divided by 16. 2 divided by 16 is equal to 0.125. You see, 0.125. The second one is 0.125. So the third one, this is the first one. After this 1 inch, the first line here, this little line is the first one. This is the 1 divided by 16 that gave us 0.0625. The second line here, this is the 2 divided by 16 that gave us 0.125. 0.125. So the third one is 3 divided by 16. 3 divided by 16, we have 0.1875. 3/16. It means 3 divided by 16. We have 0. Here 3, we have 0.1825, 1875, 0.1875. Then the fourth one we have is 4 divided by 16. 4 divided by 16, we have 0.25. 4 divided by 16 here, we have 0.25. 3 divided by 16, we have 0.1875. 4 divided by 16, we have 0.25. 5 divided by 16, we have 0.3125. 0.3125. Here it is 0.3125. 6 divided by 16, we have 0.75. 6 divided by 16, we have 0.75. 8 here, this is 8. no, 7. 7 divided by 16, we have 0.4375. Then 8 divided by 16, we have 0.5. 8 divided by 16, we have 0.5. So anything you want to divide on this particular 1/16, you divide it by 16. But on the other one, the previous step, our usual step that we all understand, make use of, is 1 divided by 8. So I had someone made a request. I did this because according to her, she said she gets to understand the other tape rule a bit, but this one she doesn't understand any of it. So if there's another person, I'm doing this for you, I'm doing this for you that requested for it, and also those people that do not understand their tape measure. So our tape measure again comes in fraction form: 1/16, 2/16, this particular one, but the other one, 1/8, 2/8, 3/, till you get to 8/8. This one, 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, till you get to 16/16, which happens to be the 1 inch. So we stopped at 8 divided by 16, which is the 1/2 inch. Here it is, 1/2 inch. So 9 divided by 16. 9 divided by 16, we have 0.5625. 0.5625. 10 divided by 16 here. 10 divided by 16, we have 0.625. 11 divided by 16. 11 divided by 16, we have 0.6875. 12 divided by 16, we have 0.75. That is the 3/4 inch. 0.75. 13 divided by 16, we have 0.1825. 14 divided by 16, we have 0.875. 15 divided by 16, we have 0.9375. 16 divided by 16, we have 1 inch. We have 1 inch. We have 1 inch. So we have 1 inch. So after that 1 inch, we have, if we are to calculate it till we get to the 2 inch. So you will say 1 point, you understand? 1.0625, 1.0625, 1.125, 1.1875, 1.25, 1.3125, 1.375, 1.4375, 1.4375, 1.5, that is 1.5. 1.25, that is 1 1/4. 1.5, that is 1.5. 1.5625. 1.5625. We have 1.5625. We have 1.625. We have 1.6875. We have 1.75. That is 1/3. We have 1.75. We have 1.8125. We have 1.875. We have 1.8. We have 1.875. We have 1.9375, and we have 2 inches. We have 2 inches. Can be anything, point anything. Do not forget. It can be 5.0625 or 6.125 or 7.1875 or 4.25. It can be anything, as long as you know how to get your tape measure. I want you to know that our tape measure comes in fraction. It comes in fraction form. So to generate the value in decimal, we are simply saying 1 divided by. It can be 1 divided by 8. That is the previous tape measure that I used in the other tape measure that I used in the previous class. 1/8 tape measure. So you can say 1 divided by 8, or you can say 1 divided by 16. Our tape measure, I take it again, our tape measure, we have it in fraction form. To generate the value in decimal, we are simply saying 1 divided by. Can be 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 4 divided by 8, 5 divided by 8, 6 divided by 8, 7 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8. That is the 1/8. So we can do 1 divided by 16, 2 divided by 16, 3 divided by 16, 4 divided by 16, 5 divided by 16, 6 divided by 16, 7 divided by 16, 8 divided by 16, 9 divided by 16, 10 divided by 16, 11 divided by 16, 12 divided by 16, 13 divided by 16, 14 divided by 16, 15 divided by 16, 16 divided by 16. So that is how to read our tape measure. You understand? Thank you so much for joining. Please, if this is your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please, 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 please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Please help me and promote this channel by subscribing, commenting, liking, and share. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye. It was nice having you. Bye.